Hi everybody, welcome to our vlog. This is the day 2 of our trip. So the place where we are staying is centrally located to Mahabaleshwar and Panchgini. Today we are exploring the Panchgini market and places around Panchgini. So come with us. So we are at this place called as Lucky's Cafe. We thought we can sit here and have some nice amazing burger and rolls, but unfortunately they are not giving dine-in, it's takeaway. So let's see what we can take. We'll take one chicken roll. We'll go for one chicken roll. It's takeaway, like parcel only. And then cream roll.
One chicken burger. हाँ ठीक है sir.
And then one of those cream donut. What is it? One or two?
One.
One of that. It's warm. You have stopped dining for a long time now?
We haven't opened yet.
Achha. Because we heard some good reviews, so we wanted to have it from here.
How much? 50.
So we got a chicken mayonnaise burger. Let's see how it looks. You also get a small sachet of tomato sauce. It's a small burger. Even this bun is made by them. They just have mayonnaise on top with a chicken patty. Let's see if anything inside. Yeah, mayonnaise on both the sides. Let's try it and see how tasty it is. The chicken is very crispy from outside, not very juicy from inside, but the taste is not bad, it's good. And the mayonnaise is sweet, so it's giving a very contrasting taste. Sweet and salty and savory. It's not spicy at all. This chicken and mayonnaise. It's quite nice, warm. Let's take the first one. The mayonnaise is sweet. Chicken is shredded. Something I really like. This is the kind of roll I love. And the pav is also very soft. You should try. Simple donuts with cream. They call it as cream roll. So let's try this out. The filling is quite generous. It has slight taste of orange rinds, so it gives a good taste to this. It's not very sweet. It's deep fried. You can actually feel the fat while biting into it. But it's not bad to end your meal. So we came to Lucky's Cafe just to try out their rolls and burgers. But since they don't have a since they don't have a dine-in, we are going to a different cafe called as Ona's Cafe. So let's go. Come.
They have cold coffee. You wanted coffee. Hey, they have chicken momos.
We got a plate of chicken momos. So let's see how it tastes.
This is bullshit!
Which one is chicken? Which one is fish?
This one is the chicken. This one is the fish.
Can I get some sauce or something?
Green chutney or sauce.
Both. So this is a chicken one and this is a fish cutlet. We are getting some green chutney with this. We wanted to eat some momos very badly, but we didn't get. So we are settling on to this one. So let's see how it tastes. I will first try the fish one, or no, chicken one. Let's see how it tastes.
How is it?
It's good. It's nice spicy. It's nice spicy, but it's very good. I'll try one with the green chutney. Chutney is good. If you like spicy food, I think you should go for this one. Now let's try the fish one. It looks very similar. It has a fishy taste, but if you like it, please go ahead. But my personal favorite will be the chicken one. So we ordered some nice cold coffee along with the food. So let's have a taste test. Not bad. It's like any other cold coffee. It's not very cold. Mildly, very mild cold. It has, they have put some chocolate syrup on top. Yeah.
Normally, I have a hotel service.
So now we have come to a place called as Parsi Point. Let's see how the view is from here. Come. This is such a nice place to just take a stroll, walk, especially in the evening. Now it's really very hot, but I think after 4:30 it should be really good. So you get some services over here. I think you can watch places through a telescope. So I think there are some 3-4 places. One of them I remember is you can see Tare Zameen Pe Ka school. That's what he told. So if you're interested,
पर मैं करूँ क्या तारे ज़मीन पर का स्कूल देख के?
हाँ वो तो है कि मैं करूँ क्या. Maybe we can sing a song. So the next spot that we're going is Mapro Farms. I always wanted to try their strawberry cream, so I'm really excited to go there and try some. I think it's around 5 kilometers from Parsi Point, and it should take about 10 to 15 minutes. I think less than 15 minutes. So come with us.
ये है क्या वो ब्रेड जिसका स्मेल आ रहा है? Look at these.
It's a freshly baked bread, and the aroma, oh my god, it's to die for.
Nice plants, no, Supreme?
I think these are real also. Yeah, they're real.
Ready to order?
Yes, some strawberry cream and French fries. a strawberry cream here. Let's dig in and see how tasty it is. This is just fresh cream with hint of strawberry sauce in it, and it is so soft, just like a cloud. I'm not kidding, it's very fluffy and soft. This is definitely on a pricier side, but I think it's worth once a try for sure. So we also got a plate of French fries. So along with French fries, you get an option of some masala, and you get tomato sauce. Let's see how does it taste. Not bad at all. It's not very crispy, but it's quite tasty. Try it.
No.
This is a new flavor. I've not tried this. I've tried all of it.
कौन सा फ्लेवर है वो?
Tamarind.
अच्छा. Are you done with your shopping?
Yes, I think we have good stuff for our family and friends. We got some cream flavored candy, some jamun, strawberry. This is jamun. So we used to get Falero, I think, in couple of flavors. So I didn't find jamun ever. This is guava and strawberry. Some interesting stuff. And this is a new flavor, mojito, lime and mint flavored fruit syrup. So you can just add it in water or soda and have it. This brings us to the end of part 1 of this vlog. Once we were done chilling at Mapro Gardens, we went back to our hotel and got some rest. Part 2 of this vlog will be out soon. See you!